If you're looking for religious Easter decorations, you're at the right place, and I'm gonna show you how I made them very low on a budget. Hello my darlings, welcome. I am C and this is CJ DIY. Thank you so much for stopping by. This large frame is from thrift store. I paid $3.99, but I like the framing around it, so I got it. I'm gonna be adding a music note sheets that I got in my crafting stash, and also I'm gonna be adding some of those IOD orchid transfers, and I'm gonna add them on top of that music note sheet first. After I cut off the flowers that I wanted to be on my frame, I just gonna layer them around my music note sheet, and with the squeegee I'm just gonna transfer them on. For those of you who are watching my channel, you know that I love those ribbon transfers. I've been using them. They're not sponsoring me, but I would like to purchase them all the time, and I will have the links in my description box. I like to use IOD transfers, such as redesign the Prima as well. They're such a beautiful high quality on our home decor, and they're so easy to be added as a special touch to our beautiful creations today as we celebrate the resurrection of God and the new life and rebirth. Now that I got my flowers on the sheet, I always like to rub off with the header sheet that they're coming with. And after that, I'm gonna be adding those crosses cutouts from Dollar Tree and see which one is gonna look the best. And I'm just gonna glue it in the middle of the flower, just so we can have the extra special religious touch to it. So I'm gonna glue the cross right there in the middle. Super quick and easy craft. And now I'm just gonna distress it just a little bit so the cross can be more visual. And let me know, what do you think about this creation? I am in love with this. It's that time of the year again. We're celebrating Easter around the world with my darling friends, and all of us got together so we can represent to you Easter and beautiful home decor. Beside me is Zaina from OK at Home DIY, Tami from HappinessCreated, LaParsha from Creating It Myself, Amanda from 6 Kids and Glue Gun, Sonja from Domestic Diva, Courtney from Amethyst Adventure, Connie from Connie's Creative Creations, Marika from Marika Creations, and Son from Son's Arts. All these beautiful, lovely ladies are such a talented creators. If you haven't visited their channels by now, I don't even know what are you waiting for. Links from all these amazing channels are in my description box, along with the amazing playlist, and also the playlist is pinned in my comments. So after you're done watching my video, you know where you're going next, and please show them lots of love. As a symbol of a new life and Jesus' resurrections, for Easter we always have eggs. So I'm using these wooden eggs. I found them at Target Dollar Spot, and I'm gonna make some design. On this one, I just grab a white marker from Dollar Tree, and I'm just making a random flower and random designs around it, just to have some embellishment. I didn't want it to change the colors because it matched with my decorations, and I wanted to go with a vintage neutral look for Easter, and I think it's just gonna look perfect. Those wooden eggs, they're coming as a 6-pack, and I grabbed 2 of them because I needed 12 of them, and you're gonna see what I'm gonna do next for those. On the second wooden egg, I'm just doing a random shape just to have some extra embellishment, but also I'm gonna add another little detail on it. I just wanted some of them to look different than the others. For extra embellishment, I'm also adding those filigree charms bronze. And they're so easy to make a shape because they're so smooth. So I'm just going around my eggs and just adding a glue. And now that I got the shape that I like, I'm just gonna glue them around my eggs. I got those beautiful filigree from Amazon. I'm gonna try to link in my description box. They were very cheap and they're coming with a different sizes and shapes, and they're so beautiful. And they're so easy to shape them around the egg. They were just made for those eggs, and I think it's gonna look super cute when you see the final reveal. You'll be amazed. I mean, I love it, but I hope that you will love it too. Sometimes you don't need to work hard to make something beautiful. I think today I'm gonna show you how easy I transform something and make it such a high end, and it's gonna look boutique, gorgeous, just perfect for our Easter. I'm also adding a skeleton key on one of my eggs just to have a different embellishment on some of my eggs, and I think it's gonna be just a perfect touch for it. On 2 of my eggs, I'm also adding those 3D amazing stickers from Dollar Tree because we want that extra diamond look on it. Now you're wondering where those eggs gonna stand, but when I put all together, you're gonna see that all those embellishments that I add to those 12 eggs, they will come all together and just perfect. And here they are all together in one stand, this amazing egg stand. I got this on clearance last year on Kirkland's. I also made a beautiful simple bow, lace bow, and I also added one of those cross cutouts from Dollar Tree with a pearl in the middle. And that's it for this creation. I hope you like it because I am in love with this piece. I can have it all year round in my house. For the next creation, I'm gonna be using 2 of those cross cutouts. I love the shape. I love all those details on it. Also, they're coming with the light. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stain them with a gel stain, and I'm also staining just the top portion of it on both of those crosses just to get the darker look. I left the back with the natural wooden color like it came, and I think giving the darker look up front is giving more details to all those beautiful cutout designs to it. I grabbed one of my metal candle holders. I got those holders from my thrift store just for a couple of dollars, and I'm only using one this time. I added a foam. I cut it off in the middle before. And now on top of the foam, I'm gonna be adding this green moss, and I'm gonna glue it. And on top of that moss is gonna stand one of the crosses. Now that I got my moss ready, I'm also adding this garland, and I'm just gonna shape it around the candle stick. As you can see, I'm just going, it doesn't need to be perfect, just a random greenery around, so we can have a nice beautiful centerpiece with our cross for Easter. I added on top of my wooden trays that I made on my previous videos, I added some floral, the cross, Saint Mary and Jesus icon, and that's it. And here is my final reveal. I hope you enjoy this as much as I enjoy making all those beautiful, super easy creations ready for Easter. Give me your thoughts. Let me know if I inspired you today to create something like this. And if you did, please send me a picture. I would love to see it and share it with the world. And to my creators friends, I love you all. Thank you so much for being part of another Easter around the world. And my darlings, don't forget to check out the amazing playlist and all those amazing creators and show them lots of loves. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, blessings from me to you. Bye-bye.